Hallelujah. Bwana Yesu asifiwe, watu wa Mungu. Ni mtumishi wako Nyabuto Onyamora kutoka kanisa la Kisii, the Holy Synagogue Church of All Nations. God has spoken and I'm just his vessel. Mungu amezungumza na mimi kama chombo ja kutumika ili nilete maneno ya Mungu kwenyu. Basi nataka nikuletee hii kwa urahisi na ufasaha. Nataka nisungumuzie what has been revealed to me by the Spirit of God concerning the situation we are in Kenya. Now, as I speak this to you, it is non-partisan. Mimi sijawahi kukama yoyote ya siasa, sina membership ya sijui gani na hiyo hakuna. I'm just telling you the mind of God and I'm just speaking what I believe is of the Lord. You can ignore it, but this is what I have heard. First of all, nataka nikwambie, there is what we call the will of God and the will of the people. Mungu hawezi kulazimisha watu wafanye vile yeye anataka. No. And remember, God is not a democracy. Mungu haendi mahali iko watu wengi. God is not a democratic God. Ati mkuje mkapige kura museme hivyo, mkikuwa wengi upande huu, Mungu aende upande hiyo mahali iko watu wengi. No. The will of God remains. Now, I want to speak about the will of God. Haiwezekani. So, ago kamjamaa Kenyu, Kenya nyinyi mnapiga naye kelele, mnasema ndiye atakuwa rais wa Kenya. I'm sorry to let you know that he will not be the president of Kenya. The president of Kenya already in the heavenly books is known. Na wengine wanaweza kusema, na what if sasa mnaongea mnapiga pere na huyo akiwa na manabii wameinuka wengi, sasa hata iko manabii ingine ya uongo. That is not my business. My business is to speak the word of God. My business is to deliver what God has instructed to deliver. Na ninazungumza tu kutoka kwa kijiji. Hapa tuko kijijini tu, Kisii ni kijiji. Kuna watu wengi huko wakubwa Nairobi. But I'm speaking the mind of God. What concerns our country? What concerns our nation? Now get to me very clear and very right. Huyo mjamaa mnaongea, I don't see him become the president of this nation. I don't see him become the president of this nation. And even if it is going to happen, just know it is not the will of God. I even don't see his children become the president of this nation. But maybe after repenting on behalf of his family, not because he's a wrong person, no. Of course, they are destined to be kings, but there is something that needs to be apologized because of the sins of the fathers. So his grandchildren can be seated katika hiyo kiti ya ufalme, but I don't see him. I'm telling you. Now let me tell you clearly, and I'm speaking this with a lot of wisdom, so those who have wisdom can hear me. There is no way a man can be a president twice. So if you think well and understand what the message I'm saying, then you will understand. There is no way you can tell us that you want to be a president twice. Twice, I mean 2 terms. Term ya kwanza inaisha, term ya pili inaisha. Sasa hiyo naihesabu kama term moja. Hiyo 10 years naweka term moja. Sasa hawezi kuwa 2 terms, nikisema 2 terms na maanisha 20 years ama 15 years. The law of Kenya is clear. You can only be president for 10 years. Now, this one is telling us that he wants to be president. We know that I'm telling you the truth. So, even the law of Kenya is against you, and the God of the Bible is against you. You have tried, yes. We have seen you in the past. You have tried, but this is the mind of God. You cannot make it. It cannot happen. I know people will start saying, people will talk, but I'm telling you today, hii ni tarehe 3 mwezi wa 3 2022 from the Holy Synagogue Church of All Nations. I speak to you, and if you have ears, I know you've heard. So that is the mind of God. That is the mind of God. Even in this coming government, there will be a woman, and this woman will be the most powerful woman in the government. Watu wanasema Matiang'i, wachana na hiyo. This coming government that is going to be in this government is going to be much more stronger. You just wait and see. That is all I have to tell you for this election. Let us intercede for our country. Let's pray for our country. Let's pray for our country. Let's pray for our country. Even if the whole world is supporting you, but God is not supporting you, you cannot make it. I'm telling you, it cannot work. I am telling you. So what I have to say, let us intercede for our country. Kenya is made of over 80% Christians You can intercede for your country. Arise and intercede. Wachana na hiyo mambo yenu ya kudanganya kukua karibu na mfalme, mnaongea tu vitu ya kumfurahisha. Forget about that one. Let us worship the true and the genuine God of the Bible. Let us forget about everything. 8% Christians, let us intercede for our country. As a matter of fact, tunakataa any post-election violence in Kenya. From this altar, we silence it, we break it in the name of Jesus. We are breaking it. We are saying no to it. The president of Kenya. And then you can Google. And then you can tafute. And then you can uulize, what is the meaning of the word bill? Ama bill ni nickname ya kitu gani? Thank you very much, and God bless you. Amen.